Hello everyone, thanks for joining me at my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve Excel Module 7 SAM Project 1A Valerian State College. I will do each task step by step and you can get your assignment solution by watching this complete video. If you want me to do this assignment for you or if you want me to do this complete course for you. I will do your assignment and I will do your complete course at reasonable price with 100% accuracy. I will do all Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment and Access assignment at very reasonable price. In full course, we do each and everything including all SAM textbook project, SAM exam, class test, online or offline, midterm exam and final term exam. For more information, you can contact me at my WhatsApp number and email address. My WhatsApp number and email address is showing at the bottom of the screen. Before solving this assignment, I want to show the result of this assignment that I can gain. This is the result of this assignment. In this assignment, we got 100 out of 100. If you need solution of this assignment, please contact me at my WhatsApp number. I will provide you the solution of this assignment with 100% accuracy. Or we are also dealing with full course. For full course deal, please contact me at my WhatsApp number. In full course, we do each and everything in this course, in course. So now let's start the now we are solving this assignment. The main part of this assignment is starting from here, project step. Our first step is that the main step, step 1 is starting from this. Switch to the student representative worksheet. In cell E2, enter a formula using the HLOOKUP function as follows to determine a student potential base hourly rate which is based on the number of years of post-secondary education. Use a structure reference to look up the value in the post-secondary year column. So we need to enter the formula in cell E2. Switch to student representative worksheet and now we need to enter the formula in E2 and is equal to HLOOKUP. Double click on it and fx. So our lookup value is post secondary year and table array is that retrieve the value in the second row of the table in the range P13 to U14. Copy this and paste it in table array. And for absolute value we need to press F4 and in P13 F4. And our row index is 2. They are saying retrieve the value in the second row of the table. So our row index number value is 2 and range lookup is used because base over range is based on the number of year of union find an approximate match. So we need to enter the true value. True and click OK. This is our formula in first step. The second part, B
Hello
part
everyone,
is
thanks for joining me
automatically
on my YouTube
done. Fill
channel.
the
Today
formula
I
into
am
the
going
range
to solve
E
Excel module
3
7
to
and the module
E31 if
project
necessary.
1.
So
I
this
will
is
do each
not
task step
necessary.
by step and
So
you can
now
get your
we are
assignment
completed
done by
our
watching this
first
complete
step.
video. If you want me to do this complete assignment for you or if you want me to do this complete course for you, I will do your assignment and I will do your
Our
complete
step
course
number
at
2
very
is that
reasonable price with
in cell
100% accuracy.
J to
I will do
enter
all
a
Excel
formula
assignment,
using
Word
the if
assignment,
function
PowerPoint
and
assignment,
structure
and
reference
Excel
as follows to
assignment at very
determine
reasonable price
if
with
K Colbert
100%
can
accuracy.
serve as
For more
authorized
information, you can
transport.
contact me at my WhatsApp number
Part A
and
is
email
that
address. My
the
WhatsApp number and
function
email address is showing at the bottom of
should
the
use a
screen. Now
reference
let's
to
solve
the
this
age column
assignment
to
step by
determine
step.
if the student age is greater
Before
than
solving this
23
assignment, I
and
want to show
should
the result
return the
of
text yes
the
if
result of
true
this
and no
assignment.
if false.
In this
So we
assignment,
need
we
to
got
enter the
100 out of
formula
100.
in
This is a very
J2
easy
using if function.
assignment and we will do
In
complete
J2
assignment in this
we
video. We will
need to put
complete
the
solve this
formula
assignment in
if
this video.
formula.
Still watching this
Double
video at
click
the
on
end.
it and
So now let's start our video.
logical test. Our
Our first
logical
step is
test is
that
that age is greater than 23,
go
value
to
true,
the customer
then
call log worksheet which
yes,
contains the call table where Tiana has been entering
or if
support call
false,
data. In
no.
cell in the call type
This
column,
is our
she needs to
part A of this step. Click OK and we got the
she need to
result.
list the type of
And our
call
part B
corresponding
is
to the
that
code in the
fill
call
the
code column.
formula
In cell
into range
E5, the main step is starting
J13
from here.
3
In
to
cell
31.
E5,
So we
enter
do
a
not need
formula
to
using the HLOOKUP function
fill
to
the
look
formula
up the
because this
call
is
type according to
automatically
the call code.
happened.
Use a structure
So
reference to look up the value in the call code column of the cell table. Retrieve the value in row 2 of the call type table. Range A3 up to F4 in survey question worksheet using a structure access to the
our
entire call
second
type table.
our third step is
Because each
starting
call
from
type
here in
cover
cell
a range
K
of
to enter
value,
a
find a close
formula
match,
using
fill
the
the
if
formula
and
into the
or
range.
function and
So we
structure
need
reference
to
as follow
enter
to
the
determine
formula
if
in
A
E5.
Colbert can
First we
join the
need to go to
leadership
the
training program.
customer call worksheet. Where
The
is
if function
Excel
should
sheet?
determine if the student post-secondary year
This is
is
the customer
greater
call
than
worksheet
or
and this
equal
is the
to 2, or
E5
if the
column. We
student
need to
finance
enter the
certified
actual
status
lookup
is yes,
function.
returning the text yes if a student
Lookup
meets
function
one or
here.
both of those criteria, or the text no if a
Our
student
lookup
meets
value
neither
is
of
call
those
code
criteria.
and the
So
table
in this
array
step
is
we have two
table array
conditions.
is
The
given
first condition is
A3
that
to F4
post-secondary
up to
year is
F4
greater than or
A3
equal
to
to 2. Our
F4.
second condition is that student
Where is
finance
A3?
certified status is yes, return in the text
A3 to
yes means
F4.
if
This
in
is
second condition finance certificate status is equal to yes, so we need to
no.
enter the formula in K2.
I think
This
A3
is
to
K2
F4.
and we need to
A table array is
enter
that
the if formula with nested OR function. In logical
use the
test
structure
we need
call
to
code
put OR
column of the
function
call table and retry in row 2. And our
OR
table
function
array is
and our first
range
condition is
A3 to
that
F4
if
in the
post
survey
secondary
question worksheet.
x second
Go
need
to survey
to
question worksheet and select A3
bracket
to
here,
F4.
open the bracket and
And
our
then
post secondary
row
year
index
is
number is
equal
2
to
and
is
for approximate result
is
value we need
greater
to
than
put
or
the
equal to
true.
is greater than
So
or equal to
click OK.
2,
So we got the value.
and our second condition
We
is
have
that
completed our first
finance
step here. Our second
certified
step is that
is
customer
equal
can
to yes.
rate their service representative by completing a 4-question survey at
Finance certified is
each
equal to
call.
yes
In cell J, if structure refers to average the value in the
Yes.
question 1 to question 4 column of the call table.
So value if true
So we
is
need to enter
yes,
the formula
and
in
if
J5
false, no.
average function.
This is our
We need to
third
enter
step,
the
part
average
A. Yeah, click OK,
function here, and our number 1 is question 1 to
and we
question
got
4.
the
Click OK, and we got the
values.
value. This is our
So this is our
second step. Our
step
third
number
step
3,
is
part
that
A.
in the
Part
range
B is that
L4 up to
fill
N9,
the formula into the range
so
K3 to
main step is
K31
starting
if
from
necessary.
here.
So we
In cell
do not
M5, enter
need
a
to
formula using the COUNTIF
enter the
function and
formula
a
in the range.
structure reference to the
So now
service
we are completed our 3
representative
step.
column in
Our
the
step number
call
4 is
table to the
that
count the number of call by cell
in
L5
cell
handle.
L2
Fill the formula
enter
in the
a
range.
formula using the if
In
and function
5M5, we need to enter
and
the formula
structure
using
reference
COUNTIF function.
function as follow to
In
determine if
M5 is
K12
here
is eligible
M5,
to
and we
serve
need
as
to
a
enter the
mentor.
COUNTIF function.
Part A is
COUNTIF
that the if
function,
function should
and
determine if the student age is greater than
our
or
range
equal
is
to 21
our
and
range is
the
service
student
representative.
post-secondary year are
Service
greater than or equal
representative
to 3
and
and
criteria
should
is
return the
L5.
text yes if a student meets both
Here is
of these
L5,
criteria
and
or the
click
text
OK.
no if a student meets
And
none or only
we
one
need
of
to,
those criteria.
I think we put the
In
wrong
this part
formula here.
A, there are two conditions. The one
In
condition is
here,
that
in range, we
greater
need
than
to
or
select the range.
student age is
Sorry, we
greater than
select
or
the
equal
column.
to 21 and the
So we
second
need to
condition is
select the range.
post-secondary
Select the
year
range
are
is
greater than or equal to
this.
3. We need to enter the formula in L2.
And
This
click
is
OK.
L2. Enter the
Then we
formula
got the value
if
and
and function. Our first condition
without
is that
formatting.
student
Sorry,
age
without
is greater than
formatting.
or
So
equal to
here we need to
21. And our second
and
condition is
copy this
that
formula
post-secondary year is greater than
and
or
paste it
equal
there.
to 3.
So we have
These
completed
are our
our
two
three
conditions
step
in
here. Our fourth step is
and
that
this function value if true yes or if false
Tiana
no.
also want to average
Click
the
on
combined
OK.
score for
These
each
are two conditions in
employee.
this
In
step
cell
part A.
E5
Click OK.
and 5, enter
So
a
we got
formula
our
using the average
result.
if function and structure reference to the service representative
The
and
part
average column
B
in
is
the
that fill the
call table
formula
to
into the
average the
range.
score varied.
So do not need
Receipt
to
for all
fill
the
the
call a
formula.
handle fill the formula in the array formatting without formatting. So we need to enter the formula in N5 using
Our
average
step
function.
number 5 is that in
N5
cell M2 enter a formula using a nested if function
average if function.
and structure reference as follow to determine first if a student has
Our
already been
range is
elected to office in a student group
enter
and
average
if not
function
whether
and
that
service
student meets the
representative.
qualifications to run in the future. Part
So
A
our
is
range
that
is service representative
if the value in the elected column is equal to the text yes, the formula
and
should display
criteria is
elected as the
N
text.
L5
Otherwise,
vary
part B is that
and
otherwise
average
the
range is
formula should determine if the value in the finance certified column is equal to the text yes and return the text yes if true and no if
5.
So we need to enter the formula in M2. Here is M2.
I think I do not select
Insert
the
the if
average
function
range.
formula.
Our average range is
Function
call
argument.
average.
Logical test
Average.
1
Where is
is
average? I think
if the
average.
elected column if the elected column is
And
equal
click
to the
OK.
text, yes, is equal to the
We
text,
got the value.
yes,
Copy this and
then return
paste
elected.
here as a function
Or
formula.
now we need to
So we got the value.
nested the function. Nested
We have completed our first step here. Our
if our second
step number
condition
5
is
is that
formula
go
should
to the call
determine if the
type
value
by
in the
repair worksheet.
finance
Tiana
certified
want to
column
compare the call
is
data by
equal to the
type
text,
for each
yes.
service
So
representative. In cell
finance
A3,
certified
insert a
column,
pivot table based on the
where
call
is
table.
finance?
Use ref call
Finance
as the name of
certified
the pivot
column
table.
is
Display the
equal to
service ref
text,
name as
yes.
column heading and the call type as both row heading and value.
Then
So
return
in step number
text,
5 we
yes.
need to
If not, then
create
return
a pivot table. So go to
no.
the call type by representative worksheet
Our logical test 1 is that if elected column is
and
equal to yes,
in
then
cell
return
A3
elected.
insert a pivot
Or
table. In
then we
cell
use
A3
nested in
insert
function.
a
Nested in function is that if finance certified is equal to text
insert
yes,
a pivot
then
table
return yes.
based on
If
the
the
call
finance
table.
certified is not equal to yes, then return no. Click on OK.
Pivot table
So
based on the
this is our result. Our part B is
call table.
low. So now we are completed our 5 steps so far.
I think where
So
is
now we
call
completed
table.
5 step. Now we need to do second
Where
step.
is call
Our second
table?
step is that
Call table based on call table.
students who work with student organization are also considered for employment at the student activities of the
Our
student with
table range
no
is
year of
customer
post-secondary
call
education are
now.
qualified for more
Select
complex
this
type 2
table.
jobs. So start main step is starting from here. In cell N1 enter the text
Call
pair
table.
as the column
Okay.
heading.
Okay.
Column heading, remove this column 1
Use ref
and
call
type
as the
type
name
1.
of the pivot
Type,
table.
only type.
Copy this and paste it here.
So now we are completed our
Remove
step.
this
And our
paste it
seventh step is
here.
that in cell N to enter a
Paste it
formula
here.
using the if function structure reference as
Display
follows.
the service
Determine
ref
which
name
work type
as
K
column
is
heading.
qualified for.
Service
The if function should determine
ref
if
name as
the
column
student
heading.
post-secondary year is greater than or equal to 4, then
And the
return the
call
value
type
2
as
if true
both
or
row
the
heading and
value
value.
1
Call
if false.
type
So we need to enter the if function
row
in
heading
N2.
and row value.
In N2,
So we have completed our 5 step here.
we
Our
need
step
to enter
number
the if
6
function,
is apply
double
light
click on it,
yellow
function
pivot
argument,
style
and our
medium
logical
12 to the pivot
test
table.
is that
Apply light yellow pivot
if
style
our
medium
logical
12.
step is that post secondary year
The
is greater
then
than or equal to 4 is equal to
light
or
yellow
greater than 4
light yellow 12.
and
This is
return the
light
value
yellow
2 if
pad
true.
style
If
medium
true
12.
then return
Select
2
this one
or if false return 1. This is our
and
main
to
function.
coordinate
Click
with the
OK
table on the customer
and we
call
got
log
the
worksheet. Center
result.
the data
Fill
in
the
the range
formula in the
to
range.
make it
We do not
easier
need
to
to
read. select this
formula.
range.
Our step
And
number
then
8
center
is
the
that Lal want quickly way to look up student by
and
student ID in
center
cell
the
Q3.
data.
Nest the existing VLOOKUP function in
This
an if error function. If the VLOOKUP function return an error result, the text
we
invalid
have
student ID should
completed 6 steps
display.
here. Our step number 7
So we
is
need
that
to
Tiana
insert
noted
the
that service web Bruno
nest
has no call
nesting
in the
function.
how to category, which she knows is incorrect.
VLOOKUP
Return to the
inserted
customer
function
call
in
log
go to
worksheet
Excel
and then
worksheet
change
in
the call code in
Q3.
cell D10
We need to
to
insert the
12, which assign a call to Bruno in the how
if
to category.
error
Go to the call type by worksheet and
if
replace
error
the
nested
data in
function.
the
So copy
pivot
this,
table.
copy
So
this,
we need
controls
to
X and
go back to the
if error
customer
function
call log worksheet and then change the
and
call
paste
code
this,
in cell D10 to
and then
12.
we
Go
need
to
to
customer call log worksheet, customer call log
type
worksheet
the
and
invalid
D10.
student ID. Copy this
Where is
invalid student
D10?
ID,
D10.
invalid
This
student
is
ID,
D10
and
we need to
commas
replace this with 12.
and of the bracket
Let's
and
see
press
D10 to
enter.
12, which assign
So
a
we
call
get the
and OK.
values.
Press enter.
Here is our
And
value.
now
This is the function we need
now
to
go to the call
insert
type
the
by
if error VLOOKUP
representative
function. This is
worksheet
our
and refresh the data.
8th step.
Refresh.
We are completed 8 steps so far.
This is the change value.
Our 9th step is that
We have
Lal want to
completed our
determine
7
several
step
total
here.
and
Our
average
step
for
number
active
8 is that
student.
go to the
In
score
cell
by date worksheet in cell
Q8,
A3,
enter a
insert
formula
another
using the
pivot table
counting
based
function
on
and
the
structure
call
reference
table.
to
Go
count
to
the
the
number
score
of
by
students
date
who have been
worksheet,
elected to office in student
score by date
organization.
worksheet, and in A3
So we need
insert
to
a
enter the count if
pivot table.
function to the Q8. So we need to
Insert
enter the
a pivot table
so we need to
based
enter
on
the
the
formula in Q8. Go to Excel
based
worksheet
on
and
the
Q8.
call.
Where is Q8? I think Q8. So we need to enter the count a
Call
function.
table.
Right, count if
This is the call table
count if
and
yes
click
count if
OK.
function argument, and our range is that
Use score as the name of
our
the
range
pivot table.
is
Copy this name score
enter a
and name
formula
the pivot
active
table
student
as
has been elected.
score.
So our range is elected. Where is elected?
Display the date
Here.
value as
Our
column
range
heading.
is this
Display the date value as column
elected,
heading.
and criteria is yes. Yes.
Which
Click
automatically group the data by month. Display
So we
the
got
service
the
rep
value.
name as row heading. Service rep
This
name
is our step
as
number
row
9.
heading.
Our step number 10 is in cell R8
And
enter a formula
the
using
average
the
score
average
data
function
as
and
value.
structure reference to determine the
Average
average
data
number of post-secondary year for students who have
is
been
value.
elected. So go to Excel worksheet and
So we have
R8.
completed our 8 step here.
In
Our
R8
step
we
number
need
9
to
is
insert the
that change
averaging
the
function.
summary function to average
Function
for the
argument. Our
data
range
in
is
the
that
value
elected
areas and apply the number format with 2 decimal places
elected
to those values.
yes
Change the
criteria
summary
is
function to average
yes,
for the data in value.
and average range is
Sum of average, select
average range
this
is
and average.
post secondary.
Average function and number
Average
format is
range is post secondary. Where is
number
post secondary?
with
Post
2
secondary.
decimal places. Click OK and click
OK.
OK.
So we got the
So we have
value
got our
4.
value.
So now we are completed 10th step in this
And
video,
our step now
and
we have completed 9 step here. So first step is remaining.
50%.
For the
So we
remaining step
completed our
video, you need to
50%
contact me at
assignment
my
in this
WhatsApp number, or if you
assignment.
need complete
For
solution of this file, contact me at my
so we
WhatsApp
complete
number.
our
I will
our
provide you the
11th step
complete
is
solution
that.
of this assignment. Thanks for watching this complete video. For more
So
video,
we are
please
completed our
subscribe my channel
50%
and
assignment
like the
here.
video. Thank you
So
very
if
much.
you want more step video, you need to contact me at my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp
Hello
number and
everyone,
email
thanks
address
for
is
joining
showing
me
at the
on my YouTube
bottom of
channel.
screen.
Today I am going to solve Excel
Thanks
module
for
7
watching this
end of
video.
module
Our
project
step
1.
number
I will do
11
each
is
task
that in
step by
cell
step and you
R9
can
enter a
get your
formula
assignment done
using
by
the
watching this
function
complete video.
extractor reference to
If you
determine
want
the
me to
average
do this complete
number of
assignment
year
for
of
you, or if you
post-secondary
want me to
education
do
of
this
all
complete
students
course
as
for
shown in
you,
the
I will
post-secondary
do
year
your assignment
column.
and
So
I
we
will
need to
do your
enter the
complete course at very
formula in
reasonable
R1,
price with 100%
R9. Hello everyone, thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve Excel module 6 SAM project 1A. I will do each task step by step and you can get your assignment solution by watching this complete video. If you want I solve this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, I will do your assignment and I will do your complete course at a reasonable price with 100% accuracy. I will do all Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment and Access assignment at very reasonable price. For more information, you can contact me at my WhatsApp number and email address. My WhatsApp number and email address is showing at the bottom of screen. Now let's solve this assignment step by step. If you do not have this file, please download this file from your Cengage portal. I will download it, and now we are solving this assignment. The main part of this assignment is starting from project step. So we are solving our first step now. So our first step is switch to cancer center worksheet. So switch to cancer center worksheet and unfreeze the top row of the worksheet. So we go on Excel worksheet and switch to cancer center worksheet and see this if this is freeze or unfreeze. So our first row is freeze. So we need to unfreeze this. So go on view tab and in window group click on unfreeze pin. So this is unfreeze. Check this. So let's see this is unfreeze. So move on our second step. Our second step is sort the data in Cancer Center table first in ascending order by admission field and then in ascending order by service field. So we need to sort the data in second step. So move on, click in the table and then go to table data tab and click on sort. Choose admission, admission in ascending order. Admission field in ascending order and then ascending order by the service field. So add new level, add level and choose service and ascending order and click on OK. So our second step is now completed. We are now solving our third step. Our third step is that insert a total row in the cancer center table and then use the total row to calculate the total of the values in the 2021, 2022 and 2023 periods. So we need to on table design and then check this box total row. That's include the total. So we need to add here, choose sum and then 2021 column and choose sum. Now we are completed our three step. So we move forward on fourth step. So our fourth step is the administrator overseeing the cancer center is considering mandating that all inpatient service names be different from outpatient service names and want to see which duplicates name are currently in use. Apply a conditional formatting rule to the range C4 to C11. Copy this range that use light red fill with dark red text for duplicate values. So go to Excel worksheet and select range, paste here and choose and go to home tab, conditional formatting in style, conditional formatting and highlight cell rule. So we are choosing duplicate value. Duplicate value. What is the color? Light red filled with dark red text. Light red filled with dark red text. So this is our walls. So click on OK. So this is duplicate value in our step 4. So we move forward on step 5. Step 5 is switch to cardiac care worksheet and freeze the first column of the worksheet. So we need to switch to cardiac care worksheet. Cardiac care worksheet, switch to cardiac care worksheet and let's see this is freeze or unfreeze. So this is freeze. We need to unfreeze this. Go to on view tab and then unfreeze it. Freeze it, freeze it, sorry, freeze it. Freeze it from freeze the first column of the worksheet. So we need to freeze the first column. So we need to here freeze them. Sorry, we need to freeze this first column. So freeze first column. So this is now freeze. This line is showing this is freeze by first column. So our 5 step is now completed. Now we are on 6th step. Format the range as an Excel table with the header using the gold table style medium 5 table style. Enter cardiac care as the name of the table. So select this, Control C and then paste here and then we need to table style. Insert. What is this? So Excel table with the header using the format the range as Excel table with the header using the is we need to home tab, go to home tab and format as table and what is this gold table style medium 5 gold medium style medium 5 choose this okay and then name given a name cardiac care enter control C and go to the table and then here table name table 5 remove this and paste this name and click press enter the button then this is name is cardiac care. So our sixth step is completed.
Our seventh step is that Donny noticed that the cardiac care table is missing a record. Add the record shown in table 1 to the end of the cardiac care table. So we need to add the record. So copy this first cardiac care, copy this, control C, and then Excel worksheet, and then add this. Paste, paste this here. Control V. Cardiac care is now added. Now add second record in patient. Copy this and paste this. And third column service. Other. Copy this and paste it. Now copy this and paste this. Copy this and paste this. Copy this and paste this in this. So we need to enter the formula in M2. Here is M2. Insert the if function formula. Function argument. Logical test 1 is if the elected column is equal to the text yes, is equal to the text yes, then return elected. Or now we need to nested the function. Nested if our second condition is formula should determine if the value in the finance certified column is equal to the text yes. So finance certified column, where is finance? Finance certified column is equal to text yes, then return text yes. If not, then return no. Our logical test 1 is that if elected column is equal to yes, then return elected. Or then we use nested in function. Nested in function is that if finance certified is equal to text yes, then return yes. If the finance certified is not equal to yes, then return no. Click on OK. So this is our result. Our part B is no. So now we are completed our 5 steps so far. So now we completed 5 steps. Now we need to do second step. Our second step is that students who work with student organization are also considered for employment at the student activities office. Students with more year of post-graduate education are qualified for more complex tier 2 jobs. So main step is starting from here. In cell N1, enter the text tier as the column heading. Column heading, remove this column 1 and type tier 1.
tire, only tire. So now we are completed our sixth step, and our seventh step is that in cell N to enter a formula using the if function structure reference as follow. Determine which work tire K Colbert is qualified for. The if function should determine if the student post-secondary year is greater than or equal to 4, then return the value 2 if true or the value 1 if false. So we need to enter the if function in N2. In N2, we need to enter the if function, double click on it, function argument, and our logical test is that if our logical step is that post-secondary year post-secondary year is greater than or equal to 4, is equal to or greater than 4, and return the value 2 if true. If true, then return 2, or if false, return 1. This is our main function. Click OK, and we got the result. Fill the formula in the range. We do not need to fill the formula. Our step number 8 is that Lal want quickly way to look up student by student ID in cell Q3. Nest the existing VLOOKUP function in an if error function. If the VLOOKUP function return an error result, the text invalid student ID should display. So we need to insert the nesting function. VLOOKUP inserted function and go to Excel worksheet in Q3. We need to insert the if if error nested function. So copy this, controls X, and if error function, and paste this, and then we need to type the invalid student ID. Copy this invalid student ID, and commas, and of the bracket, and press enter. So we get the values. Here is our value. This is the function we need to insert the if error VLOOKUP function. This is our 8th step. We are completed 8 steps so far. Our ninth step is that Lyle want to determine several total and average for active student. In cell Q8, enter a formula using the counting function and structure reference to count the number of students who have been elected to office in student organization. So we need to enter the count if function to the Q8. So we need to enter the formula in Q8. Go to Excel worksheet and Q8. Where is Q8? I think Q8. So we need to enter the count if function. Right, count if, yes, count if function argument, and our range is enter a formula active student has been elected. So our range is elected. Where is elected? Here. Our range is this. elected, and criteria is yes. Yes. Click OK. So we got the value. This is our step number 9. Our step number 10 is in cell R8, enter a formula using the average function and structure reference to determine the average number of post-secondary year for students who have been elected. So go to Excel worksheet and R8. I think R8 is here. In R8, we need to insert the average in function argument. Our range is that elected yes, criteria is yes, and stood average range is stood uh, post secondary. Average range is post secondary. Where is post secondary? Post secondary. Yes. Click OK. So we got the value 4. So now we are completed 10 step in this video, and the 50%. So we completed our 50% assignment in this assignment part. So we complete our 11. Our 11th step is that. So we are completed our 50% assignment here. So if you want more step video, you need to contact me at my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number and email address is showing at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching this video. Our step number 11 is that in cell R9 enter a formula using the averaging function and structure reference to determine the average number of years of post-secondary education of all students as shown in the post-secondary year column. So we need to enter the formula in R1, R9.